Hi, everyone, and welcome to Daily English Speaking, the podcast where you can practice English every day in a fun and simple way.
Hi, I'm Maria.
And I'm Alex. In today's episode, we're talking about a very common question. Tell me about yourself.
That's right. You hear this question everywhere, at school, in job interviews, when meeting new people, or even on a first date.
By the end of this episode, you'll know how to answer it naturally, and you'll have time to repeat and practice with us. So, let's start with the basics. Maria, tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Maria. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher, and I love helping people learn new languages.
Nice. Okay, my turn. My name is Alex. I'm from Australia, and I work as a graphic designer. I enjoy creating art and working with colors.
That's a good example. Listeners, now it's your turn. Try saying, my name is, I'm from, I'm a.
Perfect. You can also add your age or where you live. For example, I'm 25 years old and I live in Tokyo.
Try this. I'm from Brazil. I'm a student. Great job.
When someone asks you to tell me about yourself, it's also nice to share a few personal things, your hobbies or your family.
Exactly. For example, I can say, I live with my parents and my younger brother. In my free time, I like reading and watching movies.
That's perfect. I could say, I live alone, but my family lives nearby. I enjoy playing guitar and going for walks.
What about your favorite food, Alex?
Oh, that's easy. Pizza. What about you?
Sushi. I could eat sushi every day.
Listeners, what's your favorite food? Say, my favorite food is...
When introducing yourself, it's also nice to talk about your daily life. For example, your job, studies, or schedule.
Yes, I can say, on weekdays, I wake up at 7 a.m., have breakfast, and go to work. I usually finish around 5 and relax at home.
I usually start teaching at 9 a.m. and finish around 3. After work, I like to go for a run or cook dinner.
Simple, natural, and clear. Listeners, try describing your day. I wake up at. I go to work or school at. I come home at.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to speak out loud and practice.
Now, let's go a little deeper. Your personality and dreams.
Yes, when someone says, tell me about yourself, you can also describe your character or goals.
For example, I'm a friendly and curious person. I like meeting new people and learning new things.
Or, I'm hardworking and creative. In the future, I want to travel the world.
Now you try. I'm a person. I like to. And in the future, I want to.
You can mix everything we learned today to make a full self-introduction.
Let's put everything together. I'll give you an example of a full self-introduction. Here is my example. Hi, my name is Alex. I'm from Australia. I work as a graphic designer. I live in the city, and in my free time, I like playing guitar and going for walks. I'm a creative and positive person, and in the future, I want to start my own design company.
Let's see my example further. Hi, I'm Maria. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I live with my family, and I enjoy reading and cooking. I'm friendly and curious, and one day I'd love to travel to Japan.
Now it's your turn. Record yourself and answer, tell me about yourself.
Practice a few times. The more you repeat, the easier it becomes.
And remember, there's no perfect answer. Just be confident and smile.
Thanks for joining us today on Daily English Speaking.
See you next time. Have a wonderful day.